Have you ever tried to get a ton of work done at a really messy desk? It's likely that you felt unproductive and it was harder to focus and complete tasks efficiently. This same premise translates over to your finances. If your finances are disorganized, it's much harder to create a budget that you can stick to and to reach your financial goals. We're going to map out exactly how you can organize your finances into 3 main groups, as well as the different accounts that you may need for each. And doing this will help clear the path so that you can reach your financial goals in less time. Plus, with organized finances, it may be easier for you to make better financial decisions and improve your life over the long term. First, we have your essential expenses. These are your basic living expenses like rent, groceries, insurance, and transportation. Map out how much you spend in each area on average every month. For each category, label when your bills are due as well as the account that the money comes out of to pay them. Next, we have your financial goals. These could range from saving for retirement, paying off debt, or saving up for something special. What are your goals and how much do you contribute to them on a regular basis? A few accounts you may have already could be a 401k or an IRA for your retirement savings, or a high-yield savings account, which is for short-term goals. So list out what accounts you have and how much is in each. Are there any other accounts that you want to open? Make sure you list those out too. And finally, we have your non-essentials. This is your catch-all spending and includes any money that goes towards things outside of your essential living expenses. Think about your monthly average spending here. How much do you spend on things like restaurant, shopping, or travel? Again, take a little time to list out what you're spending on all of these different categories and where you usually put these expenses. Are they all going on a single credit card, or do you have multiple credit cards that are hard to keep track of? After going through this process, you'll have mapped out where your money is going on average on a monthly basis. You can then use this information to refine your budget, organize your financial goals, and ultimately improve your spending. This will help you feel a lot more confident in your finances and ultimately reach financial success much faster.